All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Just finished the watch along. Thank you for those guys who spent the time out with me, stick around on the watch along, and I really enjoyed. It was a really good show. I enjoyed my time with those questions and what we discussed. So it's Liverpool 0, Chelsea 1, Liverpool 0. All right, so really poor performance from Liverpool. 5 or 6 consecutive defeat at home. It never happened before. History. Jurgen Klopp is now setting bad history at Liverpool. I think he's now losing certain technical aspect of the game because his substitution are really questionable. He made some questionable substitution today. I cannot understand some of those substitutions that he made, but he did it. He took off Salah. I don't know why, but poor performance from Liverpool. Mason Mount, great goal from Mason Mount. That was a spectacular goal from Mason Mount. Another poor performance from Timo Werner. This guy, he wastes so many good opportunity. Chelsea could have actually slapped Liverpool 3 or 4 if Timo Werner was just this little bit clinical. Just this. But because of that, they would have to settle for the Mason Mount goal. And I've said it earlier that Mason Mount is the one that is actually bringing Chelsea, despite purchasing so many big so-called stars for so much money. It really boils down back to Mason Mount. So it was really a good game. I enjoyed it. One of the games that it wasn't like the Manchester United game that I almost fell asleep in. Entertaining game, end to end. I really enjoyed. Salah tried, Mane tried, couldn't work out. But Mason Mount dominated the game. It was pretty much an even game in regards to possession and who tried to get the ball attack. But Liverpool first shot on target, their first shot on target came in the 85th minute. Think about that. In the 85th minute, their first shot came on target. So, as I said before, it was a good game. Military Guna TV. Please hit the like button and share. Subscribe if you're new. A few persons came on the stream today. It was basically the first they came in and they subscribed. They liked the thing and they enjoyed what was happening. Please do so and do the same. Alright, so thank you very much again. Military Guna TV. Guess what? I am out.